These days, people don't just connect face-to-face. A lot of connections are made online through social media. This is called social networking. In this section, you'll learn some useful tips and vocabulary to help you network online. Create a professional profile on LinkedIn and then invite people to connect with you. You can then send messages directly to your contacts in LinkedIn. You can also ask for introductions to other people through LinkedIn. Follow a contact on Twitter or invite someone to follow you. Maintain good connections by replying to a tweet or retweeting. You can also use Facebook to connect with professional contacts. It might be a good idea to create 2 accounts, one professional and one personal. Commenting on or just liking a contact's post shows that you are keeping your connection active. Remember, it is still important to keep your network active by sending individual messages to contacts from time to time, even if it's just a quick message. Also remember that a good networker is someone who doesn't make contacts just for their own benefit. Let's take a quick quiz to review some of the vocabulary for social networking.